Hey everyone, many users have problems like there was an error and nobody knows why. So, to be honest, I also don't know why. But I got some ideas why this could happen. So, first of all, there are two different errors. The first possibility is here, big window with there was an error, and that was it, or there was an issue passing players.json or servers.json. So, first of all, to the first error, with there was an error, every bot got an extra folder. So, well, I will open it from here, project, open project directory, and yeah, you can see here your complete stuff. Your important stuff isn't this file here, it is this file, only this folder, and these are the important files. So, if there was an issue, that might be a problem with the node modules stuff here. Node modules are some parts of other software you can use in one software to make stuff easier. So, as you can see, I were able to run my bot here without a problem, and yeah, it's this bot, the test bot, and yeah, you see it works. So I will close this now, and now simply delete one folder, like for example, well, boom. I will delete boom. Boom is deleted. So now I can restart DBM, and it should show me something like there was an error if I run this stuff now. Let's wait. Oh, it's working. Ooh. But if I'm deleting discord.js, restart, well. So it was an error for me sometimes. Well, ah, okay. Well, now nothing should happen because um, I removed nearly everything. Well, that's enough. So I removed also the complete interact stuff here. So if I now restart DBM, you will see it's completely destroyed. I can't do anything. It will start, and it will show me an empty, not empty, but yeah, what? Ah, well, because it's still, yeah. As you can see, it's really, yeah. This might be a problem because you have missing node modules. So how you can fix that? We've got here our project folder and reinstall node modules. I'm not sure if this is really always working because some person had problems with that. So, well, nobody knows. Oh, nobody knows the real problem. Um, but it could be a solution to fix this temporarily. So if this is reinstalled, it should work again. In the meantime, I will show you how to fix that. There was an issue pathing, blah blah blah. So in this data folder, you have got players.json. This normally contains the store member data and control member data stuff. Same for servers. JSON, it will contain store server data. Wow. And yeah, if you got an error with commands.json and events.json, it's not problem. Nothing here is a problem. You can simply copy and everything first, paste it on your desktop somewhere, and yeah, if you then still got an error, then you create a new project. I would always do that, and go to your projects folder. So for example, this bot doesn't work. There was an error passing anything something. You can go to another bot like official DBM, go to data and paste your commands here, your files here. Then you can restart DBM and you will have all files and all commands, all data you just lost. Well, I don't know if this is working for everyone. I also don't know if that is a real issue. Um, it's only a test. So please tell me if this is working. Um, Maybe you can help the developer to fix that issue for everyone, but without any problems we can't do that. Yeah, well, myself, I didn't had yeah, I did not have, I don't know, any problems with DBM yet, except there was an issue one time. But yeah, I didn't have any problems with that, so I also don't know why you got problems with that. Yeah. Mm, well, it should start now. Everything should start now. Yeah, as you can see, it's working again. Well, that was everything. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed my bad English again. Tell me if this is working. Best place would be here and DBM mods and support, or their best way would be in general to tell me the stuff there. Psst, secret channels there. Good. See you soon. Bye.